Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the water pump on this 2009 Pontiac G6 with the 3.5 liter V6. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button? Leave a comment down below for the algorithm, really helps out a lot. First thing we're going to do is drain some coolant. So I got a pan down here, and then right there at the end of my finger is a valve. You turn that, loosen it, and you can drain your coolant out. Take the cap off from your coolant reservoir and it helps it drain faster. While that's draining, we're gonna remove the air box here. So you're gonna loosen this clamp right here, unhook this mass airflow sensor, and then take out these three screws right there, and you'll be able to take your air box cover right off. Then you can take your air filter out, and then we're gonna remove your air box. So take out this screw or bolt and this bolt. All right, you'll have to pop this loose here, and then you can wiggle your bottom part of the box out. All right, my water pump here seized up, so the belt popped off. But in order to get the belt off, you'll come down here to the tensioner, and you'll stick a 1/4-inch drive ratchet or breaker bar into this square hole right here. And then you'll pull it towards the front of the vehicle, and that'll take the tension off, and you can slip it off from the alternator and get the belt loose like this. Now break loose and take out these two bolts right here on this damper, and then you can swing this out of the way. All right, now we're gonna take off this bracket right here, just for a little easier access. There's two 13mm bolts, one right here and one right here. And just take those out. Now we're going to take off these 4 bolts holding the pulley on. If your pump is seized up like mine, then this will be really easy to take them off. If your pump isn't seized up, you should wait to take the serpentine belt off the pulley until after you've broken those loose. All right, now we're going to unbolt the water pump. So there's a bolt here, here, right down here. There's one right there, and then one right here. Take those out and your water pump will be able to pop right out. All right, this pump can only go on one way, but it'll be like this. You'll have 3 bolts on the side over where my hand is on the left hand side, and then 2 bolts on the right hand side. So that'll slide right down in there like that. Make sure you put your gasket in there. All right, so there you go. You got your new pump put in here. Make sure you don't tighten these bolts all the way up until you get them all kind of snug. And then once they're snug, then you can start going and torquing them down. But at this point, you just put everything back together the way you took it apart. All right, last thing you'll need to do here, refill your coolant. And then to burp the system, crack this bolt right here. You run it with it running here. Pull this hose back a little bit so you can vent, and then you'll see the coolant level just start dropping like that. And you keep topping it up as it goes down. That's pretty much all there is to this job. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the algorithm. Thanks for watching.